Leadership. Lessons you can learn in 5 minutes.
The difference between being busy and making progress. Take a quick look at your calendar for next week. It is probably full, but a full calendar does not always mean real progress. Many meetings keep people busy without actually helping the work move forward. As a manager, one of your most important jobs is to make sure meetings help people solve problems, remove obstacles, and improve results. A good meeting should help your team move something forward. If you cannot explain how a meeting will help improve the work, it may be adding noise instead of value. Today, we are going to look at a simple way to make meetings more useful, more focused, and more supportive of the people doing the work. Before the meeting, 3 simple questions. Before you send a meeting invite, pause and ask 3 simple questions. First, what are we trying to accomplish? Be specific. If the purpose is unclear, people will leave unclear. Second, how will we know this meeting helped? That means deciding what evidence or result would show that the meeting made a difference. Third, what small step will we test next? Every good meeting should lead to one practical action, not just more conversation. These 3 questions help turn meetings from talking sessions into improvement tools. They also help protect staff time, which is especially important when people are already carrying heavy workloads. When to meet? Is this a one-time issue or a repeating problem? One way to reduce unnecessary meetings is to ask whether the issue is a one-time event or part of a recurring pattern. For example, if one office has an unusual dip in eligibility numbers one month, that may be a one-time issue. It may be better handled with a direct conversation rather than pulling everyone into a regional meeting. But if several offices are struggling with the same process, such as using a new portal or documenting informed choice, that points to a broader system issue. That is when a meeting can help. In simple terms, do not call a group meeting for every isolated problem. Save shared meeting time for shared problems. This protects people from frustration and helps the team focus on the issues that really need joint attention. Better meetings. Start with a clear prediction. To make meetings more effective, encourage the team to think in terms of prediction. In everyday language, that means saying, if we try this step, what do we expect will happen? For example, if we simplify the documentation checklist, then we expect counselors to complete informed choice notes more consistently by Friday. That gives the team something concrete to learn from. If the result happens, great. We learn something useful. If it does not, we still learn something useful. This shifts the meeting away from opinion sharing alone and toward practical learning. A strong meeting ends with a clear next step and a clear expectation. Ending well. Did this meeting help people do their work? At the end of the meeting, ask a few simple questions. Did we agree on the next step? Did we make our expectation clear? Did we remove a barrier that makes the work harder for staff? A worthwhile meeting should help people do their jobs with less confusion and less frustration. It should not feel like one more burden placed on top of already demanding work. When meetings help remove barriers, support learning, and make work easier, they do more than improve process. They also build trust, respect, and a stronger sense of purpose.